You can duplicate the color to create new colors for hair or for accessories. Add new hair group and shape the hairnet to the desired shape. On the right are sliders. Hair parameters for group position, X position, Y width ratio, thickness ratio, twist strength, twist placement, smoothness, cross-section, curve and curve box. Brush tool. You can draw the hair onto the hairnet. You can select the hair color on the right. Hair parameters. You can use the sliders to change the width and thickness of the hair strands. You can use the retouch or control point tool to reshape the hair or fix mistakes. You can use the twist settings to create curly hair. You can use the curve settings and cross-section settings to alter the shape of the strands. You can also use procedural hair groups. Using procedural hair gives you a set of hair and more options. If you have a set of hair, procedural will copy those settings. Procedural parameters. Length alters the length of the hair. Position rotates the hair around the hairnet. Interval increase the interval of the hair. Center. Z changes the position of the hair on the Z axis. Center. X changes the position of the hair on the X axis. Hair count increases the number of hair strands. Hairline determines where the hairline starts. Hairline chunkiness. Hairline chunkiness changes the chunkiness. Hair part. Length alters where the hair parts. Hair part. Side. Hair part. Side alters where the hair parts. Arch of hair ends alters the arch of the end tips of the hair. Hair cascade twists the hair around the hairnet. Hair cascade shapes the hair around the hairnet. Hair cascade side sweep twists a side of the hair around the hairnet. Hair cascade side sweep internally moves the air around the hairnet internally. You can edit the hair textures. On the left is the texture tab, the base color, shade color, layers and layer option. Next window is the model and brush options. Next window is the texture. Top corner is the mirror tool. On the right is the brush color. Color picker, brush options and layer properties. You can edit the textures in VRoid Studio or in an external program and import the textures. You can add bones to the hair. Left, select hair groups or strands and create bone group. On the right, bone parameters. Recalculate axis, bone count, fixed point, stiffness, gravity, hit radius and remove hairs from bone group. You can auto-create hair bones or manually by selecting a group or individual strands and pressing Create Bone Group. Bone parameters. Recalculate axis recalculates the axis for the bone group. Bone count increases the number of the bones in T group. Fixed point changes the position and reach of the bone's stiffness. Increases the stiffness of the bone's gravity. Increases the effect of gravity on the bone's hit radius and remove hairs from bone group. Removes hair from a bone group. Hair bone will allow hair to move when posing. animating and interact with wind. You can reduce bones when exporting.